Daljit this side from Sahaj India. Let me introduce to today's topic, that is acoustic for home cinema. Whenever we are making a home cinema, there are 3 to 4 things that come into our mind. First is the audio system, the speaker system. Second one is the projector and the screen. And people do take care about acoustic also when making a home cinema. That is one of the most essential thing. The amount of money you are investing in your speakers will go to drains if you are not having a proper acoustically treated room, because that matters a lot. First of all, now we can divide acoustic into 2 parts. One is isolation of sound. Isolation means the sound should not travel outside. Second is the sound which is coming in the room should not come like that. It should not hit indirectly to us, so that it creates an echo or it creates a frustrating sound. Because if the sound reflects from some hard subject and surface, and when it comes back, it really hurts. So that is absorption, or you can say you can diffuse the sound. Absorption is, suppose sound is coming and suppose you are having some acoustical product and it hits here and it goes down. This is known as absorption, right? इसी के अंदर गया और चला गया. Now there is diffusion. The sound is coming here and it gets reflected rather than towards the sitting area in the room, so that it doesn't hit the client or hit the person or in the listening area, and it doesn't create an echo. Right. Now other things, other question what comes into mind: how much acoustic, where to be placed, what materials to be used. Now I will be giving you a brief how to do an acoustic in your room. First of all, acoustic treatment, people do acoustic treatment in complete room, right? Suppose you put absorbers in complete room, then sound will go down, and in fact it may have a negative impact also. So acoustical treatment should be balanced acoustical treatment. Now if you take into consideration the best way to find out where the absorbers should be placed and all those things, let me show you some products which can be used as absorber. Then secondly, we will discuss where to put all these absorbers and how to do the acoustic treatment. Right? There are various type of acoustical treatment that can be done. These are absorbers, 3D absorbers. First is this is a 50 mm hard acoustical absorber directly that can be pasted on the wall. First is this. There are various designs into it. These are there, right? Then there is this type of acoustical treatment, wooden, and on back side acoustical there, so that the sound comes, it get absorbed here. So this is there. Now one more thing is there, the cheaper option. This one, this is little bit. You can have this also to be placed, right? These all things can be directly pasted on the wall. Now the question comes, where to place them? There's a old saying, it is very difficult to do all these calculations by yourself, but suppose you want to do it, so you have to find out the reflective point. Now decide where you will be sitting. There will be 3 to 4 places where you will be sitting, right? Now decide wherever you are sitting. Now take a mirror and make someone move around. And when you can find the speaker, when you can see the speaker while the mirror is moving on the wall, that is the reflective area of the speaker. Suppose this is the speaker, it is hitting back there. So sitting on a couch, wherever you can see that mirror, that is the reflective point. So you can take into consideration 3 to 4 sitting areas, then you can mark it the reflective point, and you can put the reflectors or diffusers there. And in this way, you can know where the diffusers have to be there. And likewise, suppose you want any more help or you want the product detail, you can call us or contact me on my website or on my phone numbers. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Daljit.